Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 5th, 2024, and we're diving into DuPont's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. DuPont has just released their Q3 2024 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from their sales growth to strategic initiatives. Let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. DuPont reported net sales of $3.2 billion, a 4% increase from the previous year. John, can you elaborate on the factors driving this growth?
Absolutely. The growth was primarily driven by a 3% increase in organic sales, with a significant contribution from the electronics and industrial segment, which saw a 10% organic sales growth. This was slightly offset by a 1% currency headwind. The operating EBITDA also saw an 11% increase to $857 million, reflecting strong operational leverage and margin expansion.
And what about their earnings per share?
DuPont's adjusted EPS came in at $1.18, up 28% from last year. This increase was supported by higher segment earnings and a lower share count, which helped boost profitability.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. John, let's delve into the segment performance. How did the electronics and industrial segment perform this quarter?
The electronics and industrial segment was a standout performer, with net sales increasing by 13% and operating EBITDA up by 22%. This was largely driven by a recovery in semiconductor demand, particularly for AI technology applications, and increased demand from China.
And what about the water and protection segment?
Unfortunately, the water and protection segment saw a 2% decline in net sales, primarily due to pricing pressures and flat volume. However, the segment managed to slightly increase its operating EBITDA by 1%, thanks to productivity improvements and restructuring savings.
DuPont is also planning strategic separations. Can you tell us more about that?
Yes, DuPont is advancing plans to separate its electronics and water businesses into distinct entities. This move is expected to allow each business to implement tailored strategies for sustainable growth and value creation.
Financial outlook and CEO insights. Looking ahead, DuPont has raised its full-year guidance. What are the key highlights from their financial outlook?
DuPont has increased its full-year operating EBITDA guidance to approximately $3.125 billion and adjusted EPS to $3.90. For the fourth quarter, they expect net sales of about $3.070 billion, reflecting continued momentum in their core segments.
What insights did the CEO and CFO provide regarding these results?
CEO Lori Koch emphasized the strong quarterly performance and the benefits of ongoing innovation investments. CFO Antonella Franzen highlighted the robust cash generation and the positive outlook for both the electronics and industrial and water and protection segments.
Key takeaways. In summary, DuPont has delivered a solid performance in Q3 2024 with notable growth in net sales and adjusted EPS. The strategic separations of their electronics and water businesses are set to unlock further value. John, any final thoughts on DuPont's investment prospects?
DuPont's strong financial performance and strategic initiatives position it well for future growth. The raised guidance and focus on innovation make it an attractive prospect for investors looking for stability and growth potential.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on DuPont's performance in the comments below.